Mahadharma, the way of real life. To make a better world, to make our life blaze, to fulfill oneself, we have an excellent way, that is Mahadharma. Mahadharma is for science and spiritual conscious persons, those who have eagerness for self-knowledge, self-realization, and are desires of true and universal self-development, free-thinking, reasonable, and lovers of truth spirituality, fond of truth. Mahadharma is the excellent way of universal development of human beings. That is Mahadharma, which helps to develop our mind and helps to get universal soundness. The main thing of this efficacious system is true and universal self-development. Maha Atma Vikas Yoga education, that which directly helps to develop our mind, that which teaches the method of better living, and that which helps and insists to get true knowledge. In fact, Mahadharma is neither religion nor irreligion. Even it is not like current dharmic systems also. It is extremely effective way of human welfare. This way is free from all bad sides like superstition, malice, hatred, cruelty, malpractice, and it does not give us any false promise. The bounden duty of human beings is the practice of Mahadharma. The main duty is to advance to be fully developed human being, to get to development of conscious mind and universal soundness. The continuous study of that is our worship. Developing oneself consciously, continuously, by the help of Maha Atma Vikas Yoga education is the practical aspect of Mahadharma. By holding which great system of self-control and acquiring self-knowledge, one can be able to advance towards the path of true and universal self-development. To be a fully developed human being is Mahadharma. Mahamanas, the introducer of Mahadharma, says it's not possible to attain salvation in this stage of consciousness. There are high to higher conscious stages after this human conscious stage. At last, step by step, you need to reach to God conscious stage, and then you will be able to be same soul with God. Now, do your duty of this stage. Be a fully grown human being first. Mahadharma is formed on the base of Mahabharata, the great doctrine and teachings of the modern times, taught by Mahamanas. Mahabharata says it's not necessary to follow me in every part. Being a follower of Mahadharma, one need to follow the main principle, that is, you have been born as a human being. Your aim is to be a fully developed human being. Try to keep yourself always wakeful, conscious, to know oneself and this worldly system with your aim of life, and be effortful to make yourself true and universal developed human being. Mahamanas says development of humankind and a nation is possible only through the development of individuals. For that, true and universal self-development is the main program of Mahadharma. To know about Mahadharma and Mahabharata, please visit our website and also search Mahadharma, Mahabharata through Google and Yahoo search engine. Thank you.